What's up, everybody? This is Leon, and I started without you. I couldn't help myself. I've already taken off both shields from the side. If you want to see how they were screwed in there, check out the video for the unboxing of this case. Check it out on my channel. You can look on my channel under the technology videos. It will be there. All right. But I'll tell you anyway, there were 4 screws there for the plexi shield. There were 2 thumb screws here for the metal side shield. And the first thing we're going to do for this build is put in this power supply. Now, if you remember my previous video on installing a power supply, we had to do some finagling to get that bad boy in there because it was the wrong size for the case. But we shouldn't have that problem this time around. So what I'm doing right now is I'm making sure, can I see it? What I'm doing right now is I'm making sure, I'll bring it a little bit closer, that these screw holes are going to match up with these screw holes. All right. It's just that simple for putting the power supply in. I wish the last one was this easy to put in. I'm going to try to do it without my big head getting in the way. Look at that, a perfect match. Thank goodness, I don't feel like doing any drilling today. All right, once again, the screws came with the power supply. So this one will be the hardest one to get to stay. So I'm gonna put that one in first. There. You see, it always tries to move. And of course, I know you guys know the rule of thumb is never screw your screws in all the way starting out. All right, that looks like a good spot for it. Now, I prefer to kind of just put them in there. I'm not screwing them super tight right now because heaven forbid I have to take them out and put them back in. Because, all right, putting in the power supply was just that easy. Where's our power cable? Can you grab that? Power cable's right there. Fits in just like that. And it will go into the wall. All right, we're gonna take that out for now because we don't need that in there. Okay. Thank you much. All right. Next thing. Oh, let me mention this. Your cables are gonna come out to the side for right now. But that's a good thing for right now because we're gonna have to do some cable management. We'll bring these through these holes. We'll bring cables through these holes eventually. I didn't mention in the unboxing that there are HDD ports right here. Yeah, there are HDD ports right here. There's 1, 2, 3 slots for them. So if you feel like expanding, we're going to put our SSD drive right here. I think we'll put it here. Either here or here. We haven't decided yet. we'll talk it over and then we'll get back to you on that. But that is the installation for the power supply. Let's see what we'll do next.